Hey, what's up dropshippers? Welcome back to another video. I have a hot piece of news for all the dropshippers that you guys must know. Oberlo, a very widely known and recognized Shopify app, is shutting down officially. And it is not a clickbait or something like that. I'm just going to show you the proof of what I just said. So as you can see, this is an article published on the official Oberlo website that says Oberlo dropshipping app is shutting down on June 15, 2022. After this date, you won't be able to access your Oberlo account. If you wish to continue dropshipping, please either automatically migrate your historical data from Oberlo to the DSOs app using our migration tool, or manually migrate to any other dropshipping app. So basically, you won't be able to use the Oberlo app for Shopify dropshipping after June 15, 2022. Until then, you have the time to migrate to any other dropshipping app that does the same work as Oberlo. Now, the app that you can use as an alternative to Oberlo, which is even better in some things than Oberlo, is AutoDS. It has nearly 250 reviews on Shopify App Store and an average rating of 4.8 stars, which is absolutely amazing and is even better than Oberlo's 4.3 stars. And not only the reviews, even I personally have been using AutoDS for some months now to do a lot of things like importing the products, price optimization, bulk actions, and a lot more things, basically to automate my dropshipping business. And what's even better is that I have provided you with a link in my description which will provide you free 30 days trial instead of only 7 days. You just need to click on the link in the description and sign up using your email. Now, just to give you a glance, let me tell you how to migrate your Shopify store from Oberlo to AutoDS. Of course, in future, I'll make a complete video dedicated to AutoDS and all the amazing stuff that it can do. And believe me, this product importing thing is just 4 to 5% of their overall capability. So now let me show you how to migrate products. The very first step is just go to Google and type AutoDS helper and then click on the first link and then add to Chrome, which is absolutely free. Then go to your Shopify dashboard and click on the apps in the left hand side menu. Then click on Oberlo, and once it loads up, click on the products page. And as soon as you do that, you will notice this AutoDS logo at the bottom. Click on that and click on the export button, and finally click on the export as CSV, and boom, it will download all the products. Then go to the AutoDS website, make sure you are signed in and go on the products page and click on the untracked products, which will open a page like this, and then go to the second option, which is add from CSV, and then simply upload the file that we just downloaded. And with that being said, you have migrated from Oberlo to AutoDS successfully, and there are a lot of amazing things that you can do and play with in the AutoDS website. If you want to watch a complete detailed video on how to migrate, I'll leave the link to that YouTube video in the description down below. If we want to survive in this business of dropshipping, we need to keep ourselves updated all the time. This was just a quick video to let you know what is the alternative for Oberlo. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.